Pasibayo ko pala niya, Kuya Alquin Bautista ng Exploring Pampanga. For today's vlog guys, naimbitahan tayo ng Simple Mornings by Station Cafe. And pinaka-location niya dito sa Times Square Building, Fajardo Street, Barangay Salapungan, Angeles City, Pampanga. Pinaka-landmark natin guys, papasukan mo itong pinakakanto sa tapat ng AUF Sports and Cultural Center. Yan, kung gusto nyo pumunta dito, open sila ng Monday to Sunday, 7 AM to 12 midnight. Eto na guys, yung pinakalabas ng Simple Mornings by Station Cafe. So may alfresco dining sila dito. Kung gusto nyo magpesto dito, pwede. And sa pinakaloob nila guys, napakaluwang din ng pinaka-pesto. And napakaganda ng pinaka-design ng Simple Mornings. Very aesthetic and napakasarap sa mata, napaka-cozy ng pinaka-place. So later, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano ba yung mga ino-offer nila sa kanilang menu.
Magandang hapon po, good afternoon po kaya kayo nga. Ako po yung Jay De Leon, yung owner po ng Simple Mornings by Station Cafe. So basically po yung Station Cafe started po back in 2019 around December. If you could just imagine, it's months leading to the pandemic. So we started that as a small project with me at saka mga kapatid ko po. So it's like a siblings project. But in 2020, nung nag-start na po na mag-recover yung ating economy dito sa Pampanga, medyo nagulat kami na ang dami nang nagsulputan ng mga new stores, new shops. So we thought na para makalaban kami, we had to cope up with the demand. So kailangan po namin ng mga food innovation ngayon. Kasi in Station Cafe back in 2019, puro po ito beverages. So kaya po naipanganak po yung idea ng Simple Mornings para makapag-cope up with the demands ng ating mga Kapampangan market din. So, yung mga specialties po ni Simple Mornings by Station Cafe. So, of course, all-day breakfast. We offer silogs from the basic to the more sophisticated food choices. Meron po kaming mga available for you. At ito po ay adjusted depende po sa gutom ninyo. So, kung may mga light cravings up to if you're really hungry, we can offer great breakfast options for you. We also have pancakes, breads, and of course, yung coffee po natin, we have both options for hot and over iced coffees. One of the best sellers po namin is yung vanilla cold brew cream. So it's like a cold brew. Yung cold brew process namin usually takes 4 days ng cold brew process, and then dun pa lang siya magiging available. So it's usually sometimes medyo ano po siya lagi po siyang sold out. So if you wanna try it, you can try it here. Pwede nyo po kami i-visit dito sa 704 Times Square Building, Fajardo Street, Salapungan, Angeles City. It's very near the AUF, especially Sports Complex. So kung alam niyo po yung Sports Complex, just right across that, pasok po kayo sa kanto. But if hindi po kayo makapunta physically sa store po namin, we are available in Foodpanda and GrabFood po. Hanapin nyo lang po Simple Mornings by Station Cafe and you'll see our options there. Almost naman po lahat na available sa store namin are also available online by Foodpanda and GrabFood. So we invite everyone po na munta po kaya kami store. Again, the address is 704 Times Square Building, Fajardo Street, Salapungan, Angeles City. We are open from 7 AM to 12 midnight po, every day from Mondays to Sundays. I-promote ko na rin po yung kaya kaming Canto Cafe. The Canto Cafe shop is located right just next to the Simple Mornings shop. Dito rin po sa same address na nabanggit ko po kanina at along Fajardo Street. So, we'd like to thank our, of course, magkakatama pong Exploring Pampanga, Sir Alquin Bautista, for giving us this opportunity po para ipakilala po namin sa inyo yung brand ng Simple Mornings by Station Cafe.
Ito na nga guys, yung tour sa atin ni Simple Mornings by Station Cafe. Start ko papakilala sa inyo yung mga starters and snacks nila. Meron tayong classic pancake dito, ash brown and syempre pinaka-egg. And of course, yung kanilang nachos overload. Good for sharing. I think kaya to ng 2 to 3 packs. And ayan, nag-offer sila syempre guys ng mga all-day breakfast si Simple Morning. So, like to heavy meal. Kung gusto nyo ng tipid meal nila guys, yan, nag-offer sila ng chicken, tocino. So, 99 pesos. Sa lahat ng nasa tipid meal sila na all-day breakfast. So, 99 pesos lang guys. So, pang ano naman, yan, kung medyo gutom kayo, meron silang ano dito, tap silog. Meron na siyang samang itlog and of course yung kanilang atsara. And talagang gutom na gutom kayo, yan, nag-offer sila ng sausage and ham. yung pinaka-combo meal nila. May kasama na siyang dalawang egg, cider, side up, or yung pinaka-scramble nila. Syempre, may kasama siyang juice, atsara, and macaroni. And ito naman guys, yung mga bago sa kanilang pinaka-menu. Meron tayong nandito yung chicken parmigiana. So next sa kanilang chicken and rice, nag-offer din sila ng buttered chicken. And of course guys, syempre kasama sa bago nila sa kanilang pinaka-menu, itong mga pasta nila. Meron tayong dito, pesto pasta. And isa sa mga ino-offer nila guys, itong penne Italia.
So mag-open din po sa last week ng August yung ating Kanto Coffee. So yung Kanto Coffee, yung pinaka-concept niya bale, it's an affordable coffee for your daily coffee needs. Yung store namin is located just next to the Simple Morning Store. Dito rin po sa Bacardo Street. Malapit lang po sa AUF. Kanto Coffee offers hot options at over iced options. Sa ating hot naman, meron tayong 2 sizes, 12 ounces at 16 ounces. So very okay siya kung medyo light coffee drinker ka lang kasi hapon magko-coffee ka pa. But for this one, perfect siya for the full day caffeine fix mo. And then we also have over iced options. So over iced natin also comes in 2 sizes. So meron tayong the regular tapos upsize natin. We have options for coffee, milk tea, and something fruity. Meron din tayong milk-based and soda-based. Kanto Coffee will be opening in the last week of August. Ang maganda dito sa Kanto Coffee, because it's affordable, wala tayong price na lalagpas sa 100. It starts at 45 pesos. And usually yung average natin na highest price na is 85 pesos. Available din ito either mag-walk-in po kayo sa store or sa Foodpanda and GrabFood po natin. So, pwede po kayo mag-order nito regardless kung nasa bahay po kayo, nasa office kayo. So, visit nyo na po yung Kanto Coffee opening in the last week of August po.
Yan guys, natikman na natin lahat yung mga features sa atin ni Simple Mornings by Station Cafe. Kung naghanap kayo ng mga affordable and quality foods and drinks, pasyal na kayo dito. Yan guys, good news, kapag nakita nyo dito sa ating screen itong promo voucher natin, screenshot nyo by September kapag nag-dine kayo dito, papakita nyo lang sa kanilang staff and magkakaroon kayo ng 20% discount sa pinaka-total bill nyo. And syempre, hindi kayo mauubusan ng mga options ng mga foods and drinks nila. Napakaraming nilang ino-offer. Sa mga kids, meron naman silang ino-offer sa starters and snacks nila, napakarami. Syempre, mga all-day breakfast, may dito sa pasta, chicken, yan. Lahat dito na sa Simple Mornings by Station Cafe. So, inulit ko, kung gusto pumunta dito, open sila daily, 7 a.m. to 12 midnight. Pinaka-location niya guys dito sa Times Square building, dito sa Bacardo Street, Barangay Salumpungan, Angeles City, Pampanga. Landmark ito ng AUF. Syempre yan, in-invite ko lahat ng mga students dito sa AUF. Punta na kayo dito sa Simple Mornings by Station Cafe. Napaka-cozy ng place and yung foods, very quality, syempre affordable. Yun guys, until our next vlog, peace out!